The 1979 Elizabeth V new Pence coin, a valuable find. Hey there, coin collectors. Today, we're going to talk about a particular coin that has been making some waves in the collecting community. We're talking about the 1979 Elizabeth V new Pence coin. Some people believe that this coin has a higher value than its face value of 5p, but is it really worth anything? Let's find out. The 1979 Elizabeth V new Pence coin was minted by the Royal Mint in the United Kingdom. It features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side and the number 5 surrounded by a laurel wreath on the reverse side. This particular coin was only minted for 1 year before it was replaced by the smaller 5p coin. Some people in the collecting community believe that the 1979 Elizabeth V new Pence coin is valuable because of its rarity. Since it was only minted for 1 year, it's not as common as other coins in circulation. Additionally, there were a few errors made during the minting process, such as the new Pence inscription being printed upside down on some coins, which adds to their uniqueness. So, is the 1979 Elizabeth V new Pence coin actually valuable? The short answer is, it depends. While some collectors may be willing to pay a premium for a coin with an error, the majority of these coins are not worth more than their face value of 5p. In fact, a quick search online shows that most of these coins are being sold for less than £1. So, there you have it. While the 1979 Elizabeth V new Pence coin may be interesting to collectors because of its rarity and unique errors, it's not worth much more than its face value. Of course, as with any collectible item, the value is ultimately determined by what someone is willing to pay for it. If you have one of these coins in your possession, it's always worth doing some research to see if it's worth more than you think. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!